So we are gonna start this question. Before starting the question, I request everyone to read the case study beforehand because I'm not gonna read the case study. I'm gonna start with the answer. So the question is discuss whether introducing a decentralized organization structure will benefit HPG. So we are going to attempt this for 12 marks. First, we need to see how the marks are going to be divided. Okay, so the 2 marks are for knowledge. This means you need to use the knowledge twice. Then 2 marks for application, use application twice. 1 marks for analysis and 1 marks for develop analysis. This is how you are going to score 6 marks. And you are not supposed to write answer in detail because now in A2 or in AS you have limited lines. And 6 marks is for evaluation. Now we are going to write the answer. First we start with the knowledge. So in question it is been asked about the decentralized organizational structure. So first I will write the definition of decentralization. Here it is. Decentralization is an organizational structure referred to transfer of decision-making power from central management to lower level management. This means if the decision-making power is delegated at the lower level of management, or you can say the branch level, this is what we call decentralization. So by writing this definition, you get 1 marks. So you need to use the knowledge once again in order to get L2 knowledge point. So next I have written the benefit of decentralization. This approach leads to quicker decision making as local manager can respond rapidly to the specific need of the site without waiting for the higher level approval. This is the benefit of applying decentralizational structure. Okay, there is no need for you to get your decision approved by the senior level management, and you can take the decision at the branch level. This leads to quick decision making. Again, this is knowledge. This is the benefit of decentralization. This is 1 marks again. Now I have to link with this benefit with the case study, and I have to use case study or application twice here. For HBC, decentralization would allow manager at each heritage site, such as Oldbury Castle, to make immediate decision on operational matters like improving cafe services. There are I have used application on number of time. First is HBT, improving cafe services. Here the area that I have highlighted is, I have highlighted the issue that the customers, they are not happy with the meals, or they are not happy with the menu. So by applying the decision, you can improve cafe services. This I have taken from the case study. So this is application. Or update tour offering. Again, this I have taken from the case study because what they do is they preserve the buildings and open for public to visit and to tour. So I have taken these words from case study, and that will become the application, and I have used the word 2 or 3 times. Got it? So this is what we called an application. Now, what is the immediate benefit of this? What is the immediate benefit when you delegate the decision making power, and what is the immediate benefit of making quick decision? So that would be the analysis. Here it is. Quicker decision making at the local level can lead to more efficient operation. More efficient operation means there is no need for you to wait for the approval. There is no need to get your decision approved by the senior level of management. You can take the decision on the spot. So this can lead to more efficient operation as manager can address issues and capitalize on opportunities in real time. Real time means on the spot. If someone approach me and if someone give me any offer, any service, so I can take the decision on the spot. This is what we call real time. And what happen if you make the quick decision in the long term? What happened? This happened. This is what we call develop analysis. Over time, this could result in improved customer satisfaction. Obviously, सी बात है, you are changing your product, you are changing organization as per the customer requirement, because you can take quick decision. So it will improve customer satisfaction and increase revenue for HBG as each site becomes more adept at meeting the specific demand of its visitor and adapting to local market trends. Got it? So when you change your product, when you change your offer as per the customer requirement, that will improve the customer satisfaction, leading to more sales, leading to more customer loyalty. So 1 mark for this, 1 mark for this, 2 marks for application, 1 mark for analysis, and 1 marks for develop analysis. This is how you score 6 mark as per updated guidelines. Now the evaluation, the decision making, the final judgment. Okay, so the level 1 is limited evaluation. How you write it? You just give your opinion, and your opinion should be backed by some statement. Then second is develop analysis. Here you state the drawback, you state the risk associated with the decision. And the third is when you develop this in the context, means link with the case study. Now the level 1 is, this is level 1. A decentralization structure seems advantageous. This is my opinion, and why do I think that? That is my, here it is my justification, as it grants more freedom to employees at various level, and freedom leads to motivation and blah blah blah. So the first paragraph we write the opinion and we give the evidence. Give why do we think like that, why we are favoring this. Got it? However, in the second paragraph, I will write the limitation, or I will write the risk associated with decentralization, or anything negative. However, this approach, because this is how we balance the evaluation. However, this approach may escalate operational costs. Why it increases the operational cost? Because now you need skillful manager. Why skillful manager? Skilled manager because now they are going to make the decision. So for that purpose, I need an experienced manager, and experienced manager cost more. So by applying the decentralization, that will increase your operational cost. Decentralization often necessitates hiring experienced manager for individual site, which can increase payroll expenses and administration overhead. So this is level 2. This is the drawback of this decentralization. Now the third paragraph. Acha, third paragraph is when you make an assumption, like if this happened, then this is the right structure, otherwise the other one. If HBG can successfully integrate experienced manager without substantially raising overall cost, then decentralization is likely to yield positive outcome. If they can hire experienced manager without substantially increasing the cost, then it will be okay to apply the decentralization structure. However, conversely, if the cost implication outweigh the benefit, for example, if the costs are too high and the benefit are too low, then you should not switch to this decentralizational structure. Got it? Acha, here is a technique that I'm going to give you for level 3. This is what we call smart work. Is you just see this paragraph. This is I have taken from one of the evaluation of examiner, and it's a very safe approach if you learn, or if you go through the paragraph to conclude. Like if any other question asked, like in this question the examiner is asking whether decentralization bring benefit or not. So to conclude, decentralization, like देखो, if I like this, decentralization can have both positive and negative impact on the shareholder. Therefore, companies should carefully weigh the benefit and cost of this change and implement in a way that maximize the share profit and dividend to shareholder value. Now, if you write anything else, for example, if they ask you this, कि, should they change their management style from autocratic to democratic? So you can also write this in level 3. To conclude, democratic leadership style can have both positive and negative impact on shareholder. Therefore, the company should carefully weigh benefit, the cost of this change, or the honor of the if the honor is mentioned, then you will write the name. Mr. A should carefully weigh the benefit and cost of this change, implement in the way that maximize the share value profit. You can apply the word and you can have the level 3 evaluation. Or if they ask whether they should shift from job to batch, again you can write this in level 3. To conclude, batch production can have both positive and negative impact on the company. Therefore, they should carefully weigh the benefit and cost of this change and implement in the way that maximize the. So this is what we call smart answering. Okay, thank you.